Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea perfectly. Start with the foundation of great tea, water. Always use fresh, cold, filtered water for the purest taste. The right water temperature is crucial. Black and herbal teas thrive in boiling water, about 212 degrees Fahrenheit. For delicate green and white teas, aim for cooler water, between 160 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent bitterness. Next, let's talk about the star of the show, the tea itself. Opt for high-quality loose-leaf tea. It offers a much richer and more nuanced flavor than tea bags. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 teaspoon of tea leaves for every 8 ounces of water. Feel free to adjust this amount to suit your personal strength preference. Using a good infuser or a teapot with a built-in filter will ensure a clean brew. Steeping is where the magic happens, extracting all those wonderful flavors. The steeping time varies significantly by tea type. For a bold black tea, steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Delicate green teas are best steeped for 1 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. White teas need a gentle 2 to 4 minutes. Herbal infusions, however, can steep longer, typically 5 to 7 minutes, for maximum benefit and flavor. Once your tea has steeped to perfection, it's time to enjoy. Promptly remove the tea leaves or infuser to prevent over-extraction and bitterness. Carefully pour your beautiful brew into your favorite mug. Now, personalize it. Add a splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or a slice of lemon if that's how you prefer it. Take a moment to savor the warmth, aroma, and exquisite taste of your perfectly crafted cup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.